Good morning all. Today we will discuss about the lesson called fractions. When it comes to a fraction, there are two main parts of it. The first part, or the number which is on top of the line. The number which is on top of the line is what we call as the numerator. And the number which is below the line, when it comes to this line which is below the line, is what we call as the denominator. Therefore, when it comes to a fraction, the numerator and the denominator are the two main parts of it. Now let's move into the topic types of fractions. When it comes to the types of fractions, the very first one is the proper fractions. Under the proper fractions, the special condition is numerator is less than the denominator. Here, the numerator is smaller than the denominator. For an example, 2/5. Here, the numerator is 2, the denominator is 5. 2 is less than 5. It means that the numerator is less than the denominator. So, this is a proper fraction. The other type of fractions is the unit fractions. When it comes to the unit fractions, the numerator must be always equal to 1. Here, as you can see, the numerator is 1. For an example, 1/10. Here the numerator is 1. The denominator can be any number, but the numerator must be equal to 1. These type of fractions are what we call as the unit fractions. The other type is the improper fractions. In here, as you can see, the numerator is larger or heavier, right? Here, the numerator is larger. These kind of fractions are what we call as the improper fractions. There, the numerator is larger than the denominator. For example, 13/8. The numerator is 13, denominator is 8. The numerator is larger than the denominator. Therefore, this is an improper fraction. The other type is the mixed numbers. A mixed number is a combination of a whole number and a fraction. Whole number and a fraction. Once we are going to take these two together, we call it as a mixed number. For an example, 1 and 2/5. Here 1 is the whole number, 2/5 is the fraction. When we are going to take this together, we call it as a mixed number.